Hello, my loves, and welcome back to the blog. I've missed you all so much. I hope you're all feeling amazing, ready to talk about one of my favorite things, getting that gorgeous, glowing skin. Today we're diving into a topic so many of you have asked me about: how to keep your beautiful, tan-looking, flawless, feeling silky smooth, lasting as long as possible. We all love that sun-kissed look, but sometimes it can leave skin a little dry or looking dull after a few days. Don't you worry. I have the perfect, super simple routine for you. We're going to unlock the secret to skin that feels like pure silk, even with a tan. And the best part? You only need to do this once a week. Okay, my loves. The first step in our weekly ritual is all about creating the perfect canvas. Think of it like priming your face before you apply foundation. You need a clean, prepared surface for everything else to work its magic. We're going to start with a nice, warm shower bath. The goal here isn't just to get clean. The warm water and steam are essential for softening your skin. This simple action helps to open up your pores and prepares your skin for the most important step, which is exfoliation. So take your time, enjoy the warmth, and let the steam do its initial work. While you're in the shower, use your favorite gentle, hydrating body wash. I want you to avoid anything too harsh or stripping, especially when you have a tan. Soaps with sulfates can sometimes strip away your skin's natural oils and even cause your tan to fade unevenly, which is a total nightmare. Look for body washes that have ingredients like shea butter, glycerin, or hyaluronic acid. These are all amazing for adding moisture back into the skin while you cleanse. You want to clean your skin without taking away that gorgeous color you've worked on. Now here is a super important tip for this prep stage. Use a soft washcloth or just your hands to apply your body wash. Narrator. Alright, now for the part that truly makes all the difference. Exfoliation. Narrator. With your skin still damp, it's time to gently scrub away any dead skin cells. Narrator. That are making your tan look dull or flaky. Narrator. For this, you can use a gentle body scrub. Narrator. You can buy one. Narrator. Or make a super easy DIY at home. Narrator. Brown sugar. Narrator. Coconut oil. Narrator. Olive oil. Narrator. Soft. The sugar acts as a soft exfoliant. Narrator. While the oil provides immediate hydration. Narrator. This is my secret weapon for getting rid of dullness without stripping my tan. Remember to be gentle. Narrator. Using your hands, take a good amount of your scrub and begin to massage it onto your body in slow, circular motions. Narrator. Elbows. Narrator. Knees. Narrator. Ankles. Narrator. This gentle massage sloughs off dead skin. Narrator, and helps improve circulation. Narrator, which contributes to that healthy, vibrant glow we're all after. Narrator. Don't rush this step. Narrator. Spend a few minutes really working the product in, allowing the granules to polish. Narrator, and the oils to start their deep moisturizing work. Narrator. It should feel incredibly luxurious. Narrator. After you've exfoliated your entire body, it's time to rinse off. Narrator. Use lukewarm water, not hot. Narrator. As you rinse, you'll feel the sugar crystals dissolve, leaving behind a very thin, silky layer of oil on your skin. Narrator. This is exactly what we want. Your skin will already feel unbelievably soft and smooth to the touch. Narrator. Once you're out of the shower, we repeat a very important step. Pat, don't rub. Now for the grand finale, my loves. This is where we seal the deal and lock in all that amazing softness for the entire week. While your skin is still damp, I can't say this enough, it's so important. It's time to moisturize. For tanned skin, I absolutely adore using a body oil or a rich, creamy body butter. Oils like jojoba almond or even a high-quality baby oil are fantastic because they closely mimic the natural lipids in our skin, allowing them to absorb deeply and provide long-lasting hydration without feeling greasy. This is what gives you that super silky, touchable finish. If you opt for an oil, pour a generous amount into your palms, warm it up by rubbing your hands together, and then lovingly massage it all over your body. Use long, sweeping strokes, moving towards your heart to help with circulation. If you prefer a body butter, scoop out a good amount and give it the same treatment. Take your time with this application.